If you've never hired a car accident lawyer before, you might be wondering, what does a car accident lawyer or a personal injury lawyer really do? And why should you need one after an accident? While every case is obviously different, I'm happy to give you a general run-through here in this video about what a car accident lawyer does. Let me first introduce myself before going any further. By the way, I'm Robert Goins, and I am a lawyer here at the Goins Law Firm. From the moment you hire us after a car accident, here's what happens and why each step matters for building your case. Step one is the investigation. We gather all the facts. We order the police report. We get the witness statements. We photograph the scene and the vehicles as if it hasn't already happened. We review the other driver's insurance information, and we start building a picture of liability. And if it's a commercial vehicle case, perhaps involving an 18-wheeler or a delivery vehicle, then we send letters requiring that the other party preserve physical evidence, such as maintenance records, driver's logs, electronic data, and more. This phase is critical because evidence degrades fast. Every day that passes, witnesses move away, memories fade, video footage gets deleted, and in general, your likelihood of being able to recover the key physical evidence involved in your case, little by little, gets less likely. After the investigation step, as a general step two, we help document your medical treatment. We work with you to do this, and we send formal requests to your medical providers asking them to send us all of your bills, all of your treatment records. Doing this carefully and thoroughly is critical. A lot of cases lose value because the medical documentation is either incomplete, inaccurate, or it really doesn't capture what's going on. In step three, we build the records package and draft legal documents that will eventually be used with the insurance company in order to negotiate a fair and reasonable settlement for you. This is the formal presentation of your claim to the insurance company, and it can be a packet that's usually not dozens but hundreds of pages with photographs, medical records, bills, affidavits, lost wage documentation, records that demonstrate your pain and suffering, and our legal analysis of liability and damages. This done right, this documentation can tell your story and establish your case firmly with the insurance company. And it puts them on notice that they need to treat your case fairly. And if not, we can pursue a bad faith case against the insurance company or file a case against the at-fault driver. The next step, which is sometimes step four in the larger process, is the negotiation process. When we go back and forth with the insurance adjuster, we know what your case is worth. The insurance company doesn't want to pay what your case is worth. And we push for what your case is worth, what we believe the case is worth, not what an insurance company tells you it's worth. We know where the leverage is, and we push it as hard as we can. Sometimes we can negotiate a very good outcome without having to file a lawsuit, and your case can settle at this stage. But unfortunately, many times, the insurance company is unwilling to value the case as highly as we think it's worth. So we end up terminating those early settlement negotiations, and instead we file suit. And filing a lawsuit opens up a whole new can of worms, and your case is now in the court system, and litigation is fully underway. Written discovery, document production, depositions, mediations, hiring expert witnesses to do accident reconstructions, hiring expert witnesses to calculate the true value of your economic losses. If the insurance company still does not agree to make a fair and reasonable settlement to compensate you for what you've been through, then we go to trial. And all of this is in the fifth stage, which is the litigation stage. Litigation can take months, if not years, but it does help make your case more valuable, and it puts us in a much better position to get you the maximum compensation possible under the law for your car accident injuries. I know this is a lot, and honestly, we're really just barely scratching the surface here, and that's why I would encourage you, whenever you feel ready, to move on from researching and actually start talking to an experienced personal injury lawyer. You'll want to call us or any other trusted lawyer so that you can get some real high-quality one-on-one legal advice from an attorney who handles these cases. These are the cases that I handle, and I've handled for many, many years. Please call me or text us anytime at 803-350-9230. We'd love to help you.